If Dustin's side brush falls off during cleaning, this means it has not been fully locked into place. Place Dustin on a soft surface and flip him over. Place the side brush over the socket and press down firmly until it clicks into its locked position. If the side brush is secure, you should hear and feel 2 consecutive snaps as it locks into place. Tug on the brush to ensure it is locked in place. If it is properly inserted, it should be difficult to remove. If the side brush is still loose, you may need to adjust Dustin's side brush socket. This is an easy fix. Flip Dustin on his back. Use a micro-sized Phillips head screwdriver to rotate the small screw in the center of the side brush socket, a half turn or so, counterclockwise. Snap the side brush back on and press down firmly to lock in place. You can test this by tugging on the bristles and ensuring the side brush remains secure. If you find that the side brush is still loose, the issue may be that it is worn out. In this case, we recommend you use the spare side brush included in Dustin's box. Spare side brushes are also available to order on the bObsweep shop. Once Dustin's side brush is locked firmly into place, he'll be ready to get back to cleaning. For further assistance, please contact our helpful support team.